Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffle gag divine. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of milk, 2 large eggs, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt for that perfect rise and flavor. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting the stage for truly divine waffles. Now let's talk about the batter. In one bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, and salt. In another, combine the milk, eggs, and melted butter. The key here is to gently fold the wet into the dry ingredients. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to tough waffles, so stop stirring as soon as the flour is just incorporated. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and even desirable for a tender texture. Getting that golden, crispy exterior is all about your waffle iron. Make sure it's fully preheated to a medium-high setting before you add any batter. A quick spray or brush of oil prevents sticking and ensures a beautiful release. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter onto the center, close the lid, and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until steam stops escaping and the waffle is deeply golden brown. Congratulations, you've made divine waffles. The best way to enjoy them is fresh off the iron. Stack them high and serve with your favorite toppings. A drizzle of warm maple syrup is always a winner, but don't hesitate to add fresh berries, a generous dollop of whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar. These simple additions elevate your homemade waffles into a truly special and memorable breakfast or brunch experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.